Climb inside the 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Chevrolet prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, fully automatic headlights, and more. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Stop in and take a test drive.